Let's start with the unboxing. First, we have the MagLock charging unit. Next, the full aluminum magic arm. A 65-watt power supply with a US plug. EU and UK power supply adapters. A 2-meter braided USB-A to USB-C cable. A spherical head connector. And a 1/4 inch T-nut. Loosen and remove the nut located at the rear of the MagLock. Remove the spherical head connector from its protective packaging. Carefully insert the spherical head connector into the MagLock bearing, applying firm pressure as necessary. Retighten the nut to the MagLock. Secure one end of the magic arm to the MagLock by tightening it firmly. If needed, grab the magic arm to gain additional leverage while tightening. Slide the 1/4 inch T-nut into the aluminum profile. Tighten the pre-assembled MagLock onto the T-nut. Ensure the connection is secure, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the aluminum profile. If extra leverage is needed, use the magic arm as a tightening aid. Plug in the USB-C side of the cable into the MagLock. And the USB-A side into the power supply. Connect the power supply to an available power outlet. Position your phone against the MagLock charger until the magnets securely snap into place. Release your phone only after confirming that it is firmly held by the MagLock.